how to get a digital Costco membership card. First, you will need to open up the Costco app. And once you have the app open, then you will need to sign into your account. Click on account at the bottom, and then right here, it's going to look like this. Once you sign in, it's going to ask you to add a membership number. Now, if you don't have a membership card, you will scroll down and see or locate this option, not a Costco member, buy membership. Once you click on buy membership, it's going to take you to this page and you can see the different or actually the two tiers of Costco cards. So you have one which is going to be Gold Star and the other one is going to be Executive, and you can see what it comes up with here. Now, once you have decided what type of digital membership you want to purchase, click on Join. And once you click on Join, you will get a membership application. So here, you will need to provide your first name, your last name, date of birth, address, zip code, city, state, email. You will need to confirm your email and also your phone number. Now, once you fill out all of this information, you need to click on Continue at the bottom. Make your payment, and then you will have successfully purchased a digital Costco membership. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.